After more than 60 years of research and investment, the United States government has brought fusion to unprecedented scientific heights. U.S. fusion companies have now received billions of dollars in private funding. Seeing the potential for this on-demand, abundant, and clean energy source, the U.S. developed a bold, decadal vision for commercial fusion energy in 2022. Since then, we have seen continued breakthroughs in both the public and private sectors. In the public sector, the Department of Energy's National Ignition Fusion Facility reached ignition for the first time, in support of our nation's stockpile stewardship mission and with important implications for fusion energy. It was the first ever demonstration of a fusion experiment producing more energy from fusion than the energy delivered to the experiment's target. This is known as scientific energy break-even. It was truly the biggest scientific milestone so far in controlled fusion research. Other public sector accomplishments include world-leading fusion and tokamak science at the D3D Office of Science User Facility that also supports the ITER project, and DOE's Oak Ridge National Laboratory constructing a facility to test materials for possible use in future fusion power plants. With the support of DOE, the University of Wisconsin-Madison opened a new innovative fusion experiment named Pegasus 3 that will also help train the future fusion workforce. To expand our partnership with the private sector, DOE invested $46 million in funding to 8 projects at private companies that are pursuing diverse fusion concepts and commercialization approaches. Commonwealth Fusion Systems, a selectee of DOE's milestone-based fusion development program, has made major progress on the construction of SPARC, which will use high-temperature superconducting magnets to achieve scientific break-even on an aggressive aspirational path to a fusion pilot plant in the 2030s. Zap Energy, another milestone program selectee, is finding new ways to push the industry forward. In 70 years of global research, there are only a handful of ways that scientists have been able to achieve electron temperatures of 10 million degrees. Zap just did so with their new approach, and the smallest device to accomplish this feat so far. Rialta Fusion and Type 1 Energy, 2 more milestone program selectees, are expanding what's possible with new experiments using an innovative magnetic mirror fusion experiment and a planned new stellarator experiment at a retired coal plant site, respectively. International collaborations are driving research forward as well. After collaborating with DOE's Princeton Plasma Physics Laboratory and Oak Ridge National Laboratory to demonstrate 100 million degree fuel temperature, Tokamak Energy, a UK fusion company and another milestone program selectee, has established U.S. operations. At the United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP28, we announced a new strategy for international partnerships in a new era of fusion energy development. We've also had 2 joint statements in support of that strategy with the UK and Japan. These partners bring incredible expertise to the table. They had great achievements in the past 2 years, including a record-setting performance in a tokamak at the UK's JET facility and achieving first plasma at the JT60SA in Japan. We're not resting on our laurels. We're looking ahead to clear the way for future investments and accomplishments. In 2023, the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission decided to regulate fusion under a byproduct materials framework. This framework protects public health and provides risk-appropriate regulatory certainty for fusion developers and investors. This decision and these many investments set the stage for timely innovation, demonstration, and commercialization of fusion energy. Fusion research and development is bringing us closer every day to producing clean, abundant, and on-demand energy from this incredible technology.